Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we are going to solve the workbook of chapter number 7, which is jugs and mugs. See, question number 1, fill in the empty boxes. Here you have to write down the combination of milliliter. The addition of all the milliliter will become 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. तो आपको ऐसा combination बनाना है जिसका addition 1000 ml होना चाहिए. We had solved this similar kind of exercise in the textbook, so this question number 1 would be done by yourself, so use your mind. Look at the next page, page number 93. Question number 2, understand the example and fill in the blanks on the basis of it. Here is a conversion has been given, so look at here. Let's begin with this. 2 liter 450 ml. 2 liter, 1 liter means 1000 ml, so 2 liter means 2000 ml plus 450 ml is 2450 ml. 3 liter plus 75 ml, so 1 liter is 1000 ml, so 3 liter means 3000 ml plus 75 ml, so 3075 ml. 4 liter 5 ml, so 1 liter means 1000 ml, so 4 liter means 4000 ml plus 5 ml, 4005 ml. Now look at the number 1. Here we have to write down the as per the example. 1 liter 1000 ml, 2 liter 2000 ml, 3 liter 6 liter 6000 ml, 5 liter 5000 ml. Here 3 liter 75 ml. So what will you do in that case? 3000 milliliter plus 475 milliliter is, दोनों का एडिशन करेंगे 3475 ml. That's super easy. 5 liter plus 60 ml. 5000 milliliter plus 60 ml is 5060 ml. 7 liter तो 7000 milliliter. 5 ml, ml का ml ही रहता है, so 7005 ml. Look at here, number 2. We have to convert the milliliter into liter. That's super easy. अभी उल्टा देखना है. 1000 ml तो 1 liter, तो 7000 ml 7 liter, 4000 ml 4 liter, 9000 ml 9 liter, 3000 ml 3 liter. So this is the way. Based on that you have to do the matching, so this would be done by yourself. यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने explain किया है बिल्कुल वैसे ही है. I will do 1 or 2 with you. 1750 ml. So here is this. Okay, 1 liter 705 ml. 1705 ml. So this way you are going to match in the homework, right? Now question number 3, write the appropriate unit to measure the following objects, right? कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स है उसके यूनिट्स किस में होंगे, लीटर में होंगे कि मिलीलीटर. वाटर इन द वाटर टैंक वुड बी मेजर इन लीटर. कफ सिरप इन अ स्पून मेजर इन मिलीलीटर. मिल्क इन अ पैकेट ऑफ मिल्क मिलीलीटर. इट डिपेंड्स, बड़ा पैकेट होगा तो लीटर में, लेकिन छोटा पैकेट आता है तो दैट वुड बी मेजर इन ml. ऑयल इन अ टैंकर measure in liter. Shampoo in a sachet would be measure in ml. Medicine in a eyedropper में हम medicine डालते हैं तो that would be measure in ml. Water in a bucket liter. Medicine in injection ml. Ink in a ink pot in ml. Okay, जो छोटी क्वांटिटी होती है हमेशा ml में मेजर होती है. If it is a large quantity that would be measure in liter. Now turn your page. Question number 4, fill in the blanks. These are now quite important part. See, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. That's the basic thing that we had known. Blank times 500 ml is 1 liter. So 500 plus 500 is 1000 ml, and 1000 ml is 1 liter. So 500 multiplied by 2 भी कर सकते हो. We will get 1000. So 2 times 500 ml is 1 liter. Now blank time 100 ml is equal to 2 liter. अभी देखो 10 multiplied by 100. is 1000. Again 10 multiplied by 100 is 2000. 2 liter means 2000, so 20 times समझ आया. So 100 multiplied by 20 is 2000. So this is the way. 4 times blank times 250 ml is 1. So here 250 multiplied by 4 is 1000, and 1000 ml means 1 liter. So here how many times? 4 times 250 ml. Now blank times 200 ml is equal to 2 liter. तो देखो 2 लीटर का मतलब होता है 2000 ml. 2 multiply by 200 multiply by 10 is 2000. So we will take 200 10 times. यहाँ पे 10 times लेंगे. Now 3/4 part of a liter is 750 ml. First of all 3/4 part means this. एक होल है उसके हम 3 इक्वल पार्ट करते हैं, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड 3/4. अभी यहाँ पे वी आर मेकिंग द ऑफ लीटर. एल मीन्स लीटर के 3/4 पार्ट, मतलब 250 and 250. So 750, that's the answer. 1/4 part of a liter, definitely that would be 250 ml. 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ 2 लीटर. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, 1 लीटर का 3/4 है 750, तो यहाँ पर उसका डबल हो जाएगा. सो 750 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 इज़ 1500 ml. 1/2 पार्ट ऑफ 3 लीटर. तो 3 लीटर मीन्स 3000 मिलीलीटर डिवाइड बाई 2 इज़ 1500 ml. 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ 4 ml, उसको 4 लीटर का डिवाइड बाई 4 कर देंगे, दैट इज़ 1000 ml. दैट्स सुपर इजी. Okay, next is question number 5. Find the correct capacity of the container given below and put a circle around it. Here is the 2 liter, 300 ml and 50 milliliter. ये लीटर के साइज का नहीं दिख रहा है, ठीक है. Now next, these are the addition of capacity, in which you can keep the two things in your mind. One is you can only add the similar quantity. लीटर को लीटर के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं, मिलीलीटर को मिलीलीटर के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं, but we cannot add the liter and milliliter together. If we are going to convert the liter into milliliter, then we can add both the milliliters, but liter and milliliter cannot add together, and we are going to add the similar quantity with the similar unit, right? Okay, the quantity which are having the similar units like this. देखो यहाँ पे 87. I think I'm going to show you all the things practically, तो आपको ज़्यादा समझ आएगा. These are the simple addition subtraction, so you can do it by yourself easily, but you have to make sure only the similar unit would be added together. Here is a liter. 8 plus 7, after 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 का 5 carry 1. 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so 95 liter. Again यहाँ पर देखो लीटर है. See, I had already explained this sums in a live lecture, तो अभी मैं उसके अलावा जो sums है वो explain कर रही हूँ. 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1. Here is 140 liters. सो अभी मिलीलीटर्स को भी ऐड करना है. द सिमिलर वे, आपको जैसे हम ये लीटर लिखते हैं वैसे ही मिलीलीटर लिखना है, एंड डू द एडिशन. क्वाइट इजी. सी, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. 8 plus 5 for 12 13, carry 1. 3 plus 7 10 plus 1 11, carry 1. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. Okay, here is ml. 8 plus 8 16, carry 1. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 5 6 7. Okay, so that is the way you can add all the quantities. Similar kind of thing you will do it by yourself. Here the liter and milliliter, both the quantities are come together, right? तो इसके लिए क्या करना है, दैट्स सुपर इजी. लीटर, यू विल राइट डाउन द टू कॉलम लीटर एंड मिलीलीटर लाइक दिस. Milliliter would be written below the milliliter column and liter would be written below the liter column. Now you will do the addition together. 0, 5, 8, 10 and 6. So this is the way answer में लीटर मिलीलीटर लिखना नहीं भूलना है. Understood? Same thing you will do it over here. जो भी लीटर है 127 लीटर 450 ml plus 84 लीटर 250 ml. 0, 0, 1, 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 10 plus 1 11. 1 plus 1 2. Liter. Okay, so these are the liters and milliliters. यहाँ पर देखो तीन तीन क्वांटिटी टुगेदर है, तो कुछ नहीं, यहाँ पे बाजू में मिल्क भी लिखना है हमें. There is 0, 5 and 6. 8 plus 4 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17 liters 650 ml. This is the way you will do the addition. Now the subtraction of the capacity, which is also quite easy. जैसे हम subtraction करते बिल्कुल वैसे ही करते जाना है. There is nothing new in this. So let's begin with this subtraction. Subtraction में क्या होता है, always make sure from के बाद वाली जो quantity है that would be the bigger quantity, and from the bigger quantity we can subtract the smaller one. And where you will find out the smaller number, we cannot subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. ये जो common हमारा rule है subtraction का, that you have to follow everywhere. Look at here. 2 minus 4, not possible. 82 minus 34 liters, so it is not possible. So here is a 7 and 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 4 is 8 and here is 4. Okay, again 1 minus 7, not possible. Here is 4 minus 6 is 2. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 4. 124 liter. Again it is ml. 1 minus 5, not possible. Cut. 10 plus 1 11 and here is 9 before 8. 6 and 4. Understood? So this way you will do the all the subtraction. Now look at here, the subtraction with liter and milliliter. So that's super easy. First you will write down liter milliliter like this. 132 and 570. ये वाला correct है? No, this is not correct. We have to write down the bigger quantity first. As compare from के बाद जो भी number होता है वो बड़ी quantity में होता है. ये common सी strict है. Minus 132 and 570. Okay, here is 13, 1. 0 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. ये हो गया. 6, 8 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, not possible. 1. After 1, 2 and 3 is 9. So 92 liter milliliter. So this way you will do the subtraction, right? देखो यहाँ पर करते हैं ये 0, 0 and 5. यहाँ पे 0, 0, 4, 12, 5 is 7, 2, 1. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा 10, 7. Okay, now 10 minus 5, 7 minus 4, 3. Not possible, so 11 and 2. So after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, it's 4 and 1. So this is the way you will do all the subtraction. That's super easy. Now turn your page. Here is the question number 8. Write how much water is filled in each of the following vessel and write the total amount of water in all the three vessels. In the first vessel, we are finding the water at the 500 ml. In the second vessel, we'll find out the water level at 700 ml, and in the third vessel we will find out the water level at 900 ml. By doing all the addition, we'll find out the answer 2100 ml, which is 2 liter and 100 ml, right? Now next is question number 9. How much is the total capacity of the three barrels given below? These are the barrels which are used for filling the petrols and oils, right, in a large quantity. So see, all the quantities are in large. 15 liter 150 ml, उन सब का एडिशन करेंगे. 25 liter 100 ml and 30 liter 450 ml. आफ्टर डूइंग एडिशन ऐसे ही वाले एडिशन करेंगे, राइट. यहाँ पे जो हमने एडिशन करे थे ऐसे ही आपको एडिशन कर देना है, ठीक है, तीनों क्वांटिटी का. एंड देन यू विल गेट द आंसर 70 liter 700 milliliter by doing the addition of all, right. At last, total capacity you have to find out. This one you will do it by yourself. या आप अपने आप एडिशन करो, इसका आंसर ये आएगा, ठीक है. Now question number 10. Table shows the water used in one day by a family. Answer the following question on its basis. इसके बेस पे आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर करने हैं. फर्स्ट वन, हाउ मच टोटल वाटर इज़ यूज्ड इन वन डे. फॉर दैट हम क्या करेंगे, जितनी भी एक्टिविटी है, जितना भी यूजेज ऑफ वाटर है इन वन डे, उन सब का एडिशन करेंगे. आफ्टर डूइंग द एडिशन वी आर गेटिंग द आंसर 128. 34 लीटर प्लस 76 लीटर प्लस 8 लीटर 6 लीटर प्लस 4 लीटर, so it's 128. नंबर 2, फॉर विच एक्टिविटी वाटर इज़ यूज द मोस्ट एंड हाउ मच. किस एक्टिविटी के लिए ज़्यादा पानी का यूज़ होता है. नाउ यू आर डूइंग द कंपैरिजन. सबसे बड़ा नंबर है दिस 76 लीटर विच इज़ यूज फॉर द एक्टिविटी बाथिंग. नंबर 3, फॉर विच एक्टिविटी वाटर इज़ यूज द लीस्ट एंड हाउ मच. सबसे कम पानी कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है, गार्डनिंग में, और कितना, 4 लीटर. सी, वी आर कंपेयरिंग ऑल दिस क्वान्टिटी and we are getting the answer here 4 liter. Number 4, how much more water is used for bathing than cooking. तो यहाँ पे comparison करना है. bathing में ज़्यादा है, कुकिंग में थोड़ा कम पानी यूज़ होता है. तो बाथिंग में कितना ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है, तो 76 लीटर माइनस 8 लीटर करेंगे. सो 68 लीटर more water is used for bathing than cooking. Number 5, for which two activity water is used the most and how much. For which two activity, कौन सी, वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स एंड यूटेंसिल एंड बाथिंग, ये सब इन दोनों के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा पानी यूज़ होता है. यू कैन इजीली ऑब्जर्व दैट. 34, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू द एडिशन. 34 लीटर प्लस 76 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 110 लीटर. फॉर विच टू एक्टिविटी वाटर इज़ यूज द लीस्ट. सबसे कम पानी कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है ना, कितना, मॉपिंग एंड गार्डनिंग. सी, लुक एट हियर, मॉपिंग के लिए 6 लीटर और गार्डनिंग के लिए 4 लीटर है. सो 6 लीटर प्लस 4 लीटर का एडिशन करेंगे. सो 10 लीटर इज़ द आंसर. नेक्स्ट नंबर 7, हाउ मच टोटल वाटर विल दिस फैमिली यूज़ इन अ वीक. एक वीक में ये 1 डे का यूसेज है, तो 1 वीक इज इक्वल टू 7 डेज. तो 128 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 7 करेंगे. सो 896 लीटर ऑफ द वाटर दे आर यूजिंग इन अ वीक. आपको ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन खुद करना है, ठीक है. सी, एंड नंबर 8, हाउ मच टोटल वाटर विल दिस फैमिली यूज इन अ मंथ. तो 1 मंथ इज इक्वल टू 30 डेज है. तो 100 द यूजेज ऑफ द 1 डे is 128 liter multiplied by 30. So your answer is 3840 liter. Okay, now turn your page where you will find out the question number 11. Answer the following question. These are now word problems, so while you are writing in exam, make sure your statement should be there. Amisha drank 250 ml water from 1 liter bottle of water and her friend drank 150 ml water. Then how much water is left in the bottle now? ये total water which has been drank by Amisha and her friend is 250 ml plus 150 ml. The addition is 400 ml. Fine. So total water left in a bottle is 1 liter. यहाँ पे 1 liter है तो 1 liter minus 400 ml है ना. 1 लीटर और एम एल यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो हम 000 रखेंगे. So water in a bottle is 400 ml water which are drank minus करेंगे, so we are getting the 600 ml as an answer. Next, number 2, Mohan run a tea stall. He uses 250 ml milk for making 1 cup of tea, and then how much milk is needed to make 100 cup of tea? The milk used for 1 cup is equal to 20 ml, then milk used for the 100 cup is equal to blank. So 20 multiplied by 100 is 2000 ml, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 liter. So 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. So here we can write down 2 liter. Now number 3, Dara's grandmother was ill. The doctor gave Dara a bottle with a 200 ml of medicine. The grandmother has to take the medicine every morning for 10 days. Then how many milliliter of medicine does she have to take every morning? I think we had solved the similar example in the textbook, so you will check it out in the previous video. Number 4, Mayank buys 6 tokens every day from a dairy, and if 1 token is used for half liter of milk, then how much milk does Mayank buy every day? So 1 token is equal to 500 ml. So 6 token is equal to question mark. So half liter means 500 and 1 liter means 1000 ml. So 500 multiplied by 6 is 3000 ml, means 3 liters. So he has to get 3 liters of milk every day with the 6 tokens. So this is it for this session. So next time I will show you some of the next chapter. Until that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.